We're gonna try one more spot, and if it's not it, we give up on this area.
On this episode on Proceeding Onward in America,
We are heading to a new spot. Look at this.
It's like I was born to do this.
welcome to Idaho.
You're gonna get stuck. Those are pretty deep.
Welcome to Proceeding Onward in America.
POA.
Welcome to Idaho.
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 Oh, okay. You're Idaho. Okay. All right, let's go on 84 West. Here we go. This is not the right spot, but it's wicked pretty and it's a one-way. I don't know how we're going to yield to uphill traffic for the trailer and all. Yeah, it's a pretty steep drop right there. So don't go this way. This is amazing. Just gotta get to that road right there. So it's gonna be up there somewhere. So, finding all the wrong spots of where to park. The thing is, you know, it's the wrong areas that we're trying to go down to find free place to boondock and everything. The roads are not very good. Like this, there's rocks and boulders in the way, or very big ruts. So even though it would be beautiful out this way, it's not the view we want, nor is it really accessible, and so forth. So we're gonna try one more spot, and if it's not it, we give up on this area. But yeah, here's some of the spots. So we won't show this camping spot area that we're trying to get to, because one, it's not RV friendly one bit, and two, like, you're gonna get stuck. Those are pretty deep. I don't know if you can really see it in person. Those are pretty deep. It's pretty much up to my knee, how deep it is. So you will bottom out. Bottom out for sure if you're knee deep high. Anyways, we are heading to a new spot we found out from campendium. We try to go
again.
Yeah, they're becoming very helpful, and it's called Bell Rapids. So we haven't been here yet, but it looked like a lot of good reviews, and it's near water, in the middle of nowhere. But let's show you some of what's happening.
Continue on East 2830 south for 1.5 miles.
All right. We're almost there. It says it's dead end. promising. There's some campers and everything. Okay, we got our spot for the night. Not far from the water. Boat ramp. We didn't want to park on the boat ramp because there was a lot of people. But we're going to go swimming. You ready? Yeah?
It's cold water.
It's cold water?
Yes.
Oh.
Holy son of a gun, I'm not going swimming in this.
You're not going to go swimming? Okay. Jack going swimming.
Let's put some good use to these things we got for our wedding. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
And Grandma?
And Grandma. So we're gonna put it together and we're gonna go ride it in Idaho.
Here we are in Idaho on Snake River, kayaking. Yeah.
Well, here we are,
We're on a river, baby.
Snake River,
Mhm.
cruising in the ocean.
It's not the ocean.
No.
You just wish he's on a real boat.
This is a real boat, as long as it floats.
It's a boat.
It's a boat. Even a piece of wood that floats, it's a boat.
Okay.
Even if you blow up a balloon and it floats, it's a boat.
No.
Anything that floats is a boat.
No.
Anything that floats is a boat.
Oh, let's just get going. Bye. Yeah. Pedaling backwards like a pro.
It's like I was born to do this.
Yeah, you're born to do this. Catfish, rainbow trout, whatever they are, just love me. I almost had a photo with it, but it was a little bit too late. I'm seeing one right in front of me. They're everywhere. I think there's one heading towards you over here. Welcome back. Hi, baby. Welcome back. Look at this. Sitting on the dock of the bay, drinking my coffee. Yeah, but coffee doesn't rhyme well with river. This is how we're spending our morning in Idaho. It is limited to 10 days in any 30-day period. There are spots. We're here. You can see all the other spots and the locations all up and down the river. Super cool. We have to come back through Idaho and stay at other locations. Here is a legend to show what's available in each area. Well, there's one boat launch and several different floating docks that you can go on. Go fishing, swimming, hook up your boats to. That's just for fishing.
This one is for small boats, and that one's for bigger boats.
Yeah. So, and they do have life jackets right over there.
Loners.
Yeah, you don't get to take them.
Bring them back.
Bring them back. People don't come by and sanitize them, so just be aware of that. Self-service.
Self-service. Very, very
Crappy. Oh my gosh.
It comes and it goes like the wind.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Sometimes I got better than her, and sometimes she just had something.
Something, I don't know what that is. And I have Verizon. Yeah.
But you get a great view at the nighttime as well as the daytime. You got mountains in the back. I don't think they have access to them, but this would be the great spot to get an Idaho fish
Yeah.
that been eating off those potatoes. So it's a fat fish.
And bathrooms.
And they have restrooms. I didn't go inside, so I have no idea what they look like.
They're closed. That's why there's a porta potty.
I guess because of the virus, they're closed.
Yeah.
Thank you, Corona. I say if you got an RV with a bathroom, use your own. Anyway.
There are poop stations, so make sure you pick up the poops. I'll put it in the description down below where you can find Bell Rapids. There was one RVer here, and we just parked around the rim area just to keep out of the way of all the boaters and people coming in and out. Not sure really where you can park, but we did the best we can, and it's great access to everything. So hope you enjoyed our views.
Well, until next time, keep following us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget to become our Patreon.
And if you haven't yet, please like this video, hit that subscribe button down there, and share it. And always keep proceeding onward in your adventures. Until next time, bye-bye. On the next episode,
We are gonna go look at some new homes.
so we're thinking about upgrading. This is not, yay! I'd take it in a heartbeat and be like, we're done.